If you're looking for a quick and easy dessert that looks beautiful and tastes amazing, this strawberry puff pastry is perfect for you. To make this recipe, I'm using fresh sliced strawberries, ready-made puff pastry sheets and mascarpone cheese. In a bowl, I'm adding icing sugar to the mascarpone cheese. Then I gently mix everything together until smooth and creamy. This is the consistency you're looking for: soft, smooth and easy to spread. Next, I cut the puff pastry into square or rectangular pieces. You can make them any size you like, smaller for a bite-sized treat or a larger for a bigger dessert. I gently fold the edges of each piece inwards. This creates a small border which helps hold the filling and strawberries inside. Repeat the same process with all the pastry pieces. Next, I bake the puff pastry in the oven until it's golden and puffed. Once it's baked, I let it cool completely before adding the mascarpone cream. Then I spread the cream mixture on the top. You can pipe it for a more elegant look or simply spread it with a spoon, whatever you prefer. After that, I add the fresh sliced strawberries. To finish it off, I drizzle melted white chocolate over the strawberries. This adds a little extra sweetness and makes the dessert look even more special. And just like that, a simple, delicious puff pastry dessert is ready. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and stay for more starters, mains, desserts and organization ideas. See you soon!